Yes, yo my people, it's I Blues FS and it's your boy Steve Vino, and we are happy to be back again on our YouTube channel. And today we have something cool for you guys. Today I want to show you guys how you can become a profitable trader. I want to show you guys secrets to make it in the financial market. It is no longer a new thing that 98% of forex traders fail, while just 2% actually makes it in the forex market or forex industry. So because of that, today we've actually decided to share with you guys one of our strategy, and this strategy has actually helped us to make money while trading forex. So sit back and enjoy this video as we share with you guys the secret strategy to make it in the financial market. But before we get started, watch our intro video and we'll see you right back. Channel. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And as you can see, we are on gold. As you can see from our chart currently, we have gold in our screen. And as you can see, we've actually run the analysis of gold. The strategy we'll be sharing with you guys today is what we call the breakout and retest strategy. The breakout and retest strategy. With this strategy, you will be able to make money trading the financial market. If you can be patient enough to wait for the retest, you will really make money. That is one secret strategy we've been using to trade the financial market. And a lot of traders have been using this strategy the same. A lot of traders have also been using this strategy. So I want you guys to know about this strategy and also make the market with this powerful strategy. Now, as you can see from the 1 hour time frame chart of gold, we actually on an uptrend market. We are in an uptrend market. As you can see, there was rejection from this key level, like a double top chart pattern here and here, and see the market actually moves up. And then the market actually moves up to this key level, and then market was rejected, and then we saw how market broke out of this key level. And then we see the use of our trend line. This is our trend line we actually drew, and then we saw price actually break through the trend line here in this level. Price broke through the trend line here, manages to close above the trend line, and then then price came back again to retest the broken trend line. So it's a breakout and retest strategy. So the first thing to do when making use of this strategy is for you to identify the key levels in the financial market. You have to identify the key levels of the instrument you are trading. So for example, we have gold right now. So for you to make use of the breakout and retest strategy, first you have to identify the key levels. This video is actually, we're not here to show you how you can identify support and resistance level. If you already know how you can identify support and resistance level, yeah, thumbs up. That would make the strategy more easy for you. So first thing you do to make use of this strategy is that you identify your support level and your resistance level, and sometimes you might also want to use your trend line as well. So as you can see, we'll be able to identify our resistance level here, this one here, another one here, and another one here. So these three lines here represent our resistance zone, because resistance is not just a mere line. I consider it to be a zone. So this is a resistance level, or a resistance zone, resistance zone, resistance zone as well. So after I define the key levels in the market, the next thing you watch out for, you watch for price to break through the key level. And once price actually break through, let me make this big. Now this is our trend line, this is our resistance line, and then price actually came, retested it, came back, and then price broke through it and closed above the trend line. So what we do is that we wait for a retest to the trend line. So once price break our trend line, we have a new signal of a bullish momentum or a bullish move. So we then wait for price to come back to retest the broken trend line. The broken trend line, we have to wait for it. So price broke through here, then we wait for price to come back, and we saw how price came back to retest the broken trend line, and we saw this rejection here, and boom, we actually go long in the market. So that is it. It's as simple as this, the breakout and retest strategy. The 3 steps you need to follow is: 1, identify the key levels. Identify the key levels in the market, the support level, the resistance level. Secondly, make use of your trend line to not just resistance and support level. You can also make use of your support trend line and your resistance trend line. Then once you have these 2 things in place, the next thing you wait for, which is our last confirmation, is the retest to that key level. So once price closes above the key levels, whether support, resistance, or trend line, it shows that there is going to be a bullish momentum. The bulls are strong. Or if price will close below, if price will break out and then closes below our trend line, our support line, our resistance level, we therefore means that it was a fake breakout, guys. It was a fake breakout. So if the candles should close above, if the candles break out and close above the key level, it shows that it's going to be a bullish move if we're actually looking for a buy opportunity. Then we wait for a retest to the key level, which happened here, and then we join the buy with our stop loss. Our stop loss in this case is going to be below the wick of this candle here. So below the highest wick of the closest candles to our entry. So this was our entry, and this seems to be the longest wick. So our stop loss is going to be here, and as you can see, look at our stop loss here. Yeah, we're right on track. So we buy this market. Now, once we buy this market again, there was also a breakout at this level. We saw how market broke out of the resistance level here, and price actually candlestick closes above it. So it therefore means that it's a strong bullish momentum, a bullish move. The bulls are really strong in this market. And so once price break out of this level, it's first confirmation that, okay, the market is bullish right now. And so we have to wait for a retest to this key level. And that is what we're actually waiting for right now. Price broke through this here, came back, retested it, and went up. We actually missed this entry. Yeah, honestly, we did miss this entry. And so we are waiting for this price now on go to come back to retest this place. It might necessarily not get to this point because we can see there is a minor resistance level at this. There's also a minor resistance here. So there's a minor resistance here. So either here, this is the zone, this is the support zone, we'll be watching out for price to approach. So as price approach these zones here, we do be looking for a rejection and go long in gold. So we'll be looking for this price now to move back here to retest this broken level. Like I said before, resistance or supports, they are not just levels, but they are zone. So this is the zone, this is the support zone. We do be waiting for price to come back to retest before we go long in the market. So this is one secret, guys, you can actually use to trade the financial market: breakout and retest strategy. Draw your key levels, wait for breakout of it, wait for breakout. Please take note of this: the candle should close above the key level to show that it is not a fake move. So once there is a breakout, we know there's going to be a retracement again. So there's going to be a retracement which happens. The retracement after the breakout is called the retest. So the price will actually go back to retest the broken levels, and then once we see rejection, we go in, we take our position, and that's what happens. So right now on go, we will be waiting for the market to come back to this zone here, and we'll go long to this key level. So in this video, I'm not here to show you guys how to draw your support level or how to draw your resistance level. We're here to show you this simple strategy that can help you to make money from the financial market. Yeah, it is called the breakout and retest strategy. And just so we've been using this strategy, and now also this is Hero USD here. And as you can see from the 1 hour time frame, let me just change this to 4 hours, please. Now, as you can see from the 4 hour time frame on Hero USD, this also was a key level in the market. We saw how price broke through, closes above the key level, then came back to retest this level here, and we saw what happened. Price further pushed up, the bulls further pushed the price up. And then here was also a minor level, then price broke through it, closed above it, came back again to retest it, and then what happened, guys? Boom, price went up. And just so this also is a key level in the market. This also is a key level in the market from the daily time frame. And somehow price actually managed to break through it. Let's take it to this level. So price actually broke through this key level now, and then we saw price here rose and closes above this key level here, and then what happened? Price went up. So on Hero USD now, we do be waiting for a pullback, and the pullback is actually happening right now. This is for our 4 hour time frame chart. So each candle you see here takes 4 hours to complete. So 4, 8, so we're about 10 minutes, 10 hours right now on this level. So we do be waiting for gold to actually do some retest probably to this level, to this zone. Like we said, it's a zone and not just a level. So we make use of our rectangle. So this is the zone we do be waiting for. So this is the zone we'll be watching out for. I really don't know what's wrong with this. Okay, so guys, let me just change the color a bit. Okay, so this is the zone we'll be expecting price to pull back to before we take our buy position on Hero USD. If there is no retest, we don't take the trade, guys. Stick to the plan. Once there's a breakout, wait for a retest and then you take your shot. But if there is no retest, we don't take the trade. So no retest, no entry. That is it, guys. No retest, no entry. So we'll wait for price to come back to retest this zone here, and then we can buy our Hero USD. So for now, we are just patiently waiting for Hero USD to come back to retest it, and then we actually go long on Hero USD. Let's just backtest this strategy, guys. Let's backtest this strategy and see how we can actually make good use of the strategy. Let's just backtest the strategy for you guys. Okay, you see what happened here. This was a key level in the market. Yeah, a key zone in the market. This level you see here. Let me use my rectangle tool. So this is a key level in the market. Here we saw how price broke through this key level here from previous. Look at it, guys. So this is a key level. If we are to make it, so you see, so this is a previous. So take a look at it, guys. So this is a key level in the market actually. We saw how price broke through this level. So our price broke through this key level here, and then went down as far back to this, down to this key level. Then, like I said before, no retest, no entry, no retest, no entry. So we actually wait for price to go back to the key level and watch out for rejection from this key level. This was a good opportunity for a fine entry. So our stop loss is going to be above our key level, above or below our support or resistance zone, or our support or the support and resistance trend line, whichever. So if it's for resistance level or trend line, we want to place our stop loss right above it, a little bit high above it. If it's for support, a little bit lower below it. So that is it, guys. So if we are waiting the breakout happen, wait for a retest, and then our stop loss in this case should be here at the end of this week. We put our stop loss, and then we saw what happened. Market went back down. So it was really giving us a good profit here. About how many pips? Let me see. So this would have given us okay, 216 pips. That is about 216 pips. Let's say we cut it from here. Yeah, 237 pips. So we have actually gotten, or we've actually secured 214 pips on this trade. So this is how to make use of the breakout and retest strategy. Make sure your stop loss is right above a key level in the market. For resistance, it should be right above the previous longest week of the market, like the candle with the longest week close to the price action, close to current price level. We'll put our stop loss just above it. So in this case, if I'm only taking our entry here, our stop loss is going to be here above it. So if our stop loss was here, so this is going to be our stop loss, like I said, a little bit above it. So this is going to be our stop loss, and we saw what happened. Market went down. And even if we did not take our profit, market came back to retest that zone again the second time, and we saw what happened. The market went down. So it's a good strategy. If only one can actually take his time to practice and master it, you do really be grateful. And with this strategy, you can actually make money trading the financial market. It's called the breakout and retest strategy. Without retest, we don't take our entry. So no retest, no entry. Yeah, that is slogan, guys. No retest, no entry. And you can also use this same strategy to trade boom and crash. You can use it to trade indices as well. What to do is know how to identify the key levels in the market. If you don't know how to identify the key levels, stay tuned. We'll do another video on how you can draw your support and resistance level as a pro. Yeah, we're going to show you guys how you can draw your support and resistance level as a pro in the industry.